What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Cowboys Customs YouTube channel. Today, as you have just seen, we got this beautiful 2020 Duramax. This is Brock with Bob Cook Sales. He was nice enough to, we talked probably a month or two ago, and he was nice enough to drive all the way back out to Arlington so I could film with it. And he's gonna tell you what he does, basically. I don't know how to make that transition.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Yeah, we'll figure it out. It's really real, right? It's authentic. So yeah, I'm Brock White with Bob Cook Sales. I'm a manufacturer's rep in the performance and truck accessory industry. I've been around the block now for, since I was probably like 20 years old. I started working in the industry. This is my 2020 L5P High Country Duramax. It's got a full throttle 7.9 kit on it with some Cognito supporting parts, Fox Resis, 24x14 black rhinos on 40-inch Toyos, and the cool thing is this truck is that's a loud truck.
Shout out to FedEx.
Yeah, what up FedEx? There's nothing super custom about this. It's just a little bit of forethought and all off-the-shelf bolt-on parts that anybody can get for their truck. It's been blacked out, obviously, and I love it. It's my baby. It's got 36,000 miles because I am a sales rep. Other stuff about me, like I said, I'm with Bob Cook Sales. We're a rep agency for performance parts, truck accessories. I'm also a member of the Truck and Off-Road Alliance Council for SEMA. So I'll see you at the SEMA show and probably see you at PRI if you're going to be going there as well.
Yes.
And Summer Truck Invasion.
Yeah.
Don't miss it.
So we invited him out to come rep for Cowboys Customs. Like I said, we didn't do any work on his truck, but this is all stuff that we can do in-house. We can order all these parts as well. And so when he came by initially to drop off some catalogs, I was like, man, we got to film with that thing because it's sweet. This is like I mean, if you didn't catch that, he dailies this thing going from shop to shop, warehouse to warehouse, or whatever, and whatever other things he does for the automotive industry. But it's a bull setup, and I mean, you could technically daily anything, but this thing is a James certified dailyable vehicle.
Yeah, you rode it. It's comfortable.
Yeah, no, it rides real nice. He's got the Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks front and rear. It's a beautiful truck. So like he said, Summer Truck Invasion, August 28th, we will be right next to the front gate. The guys at Dallas Lifted Trucks, they run a tight ship. It's going to be a great show. There's more vendors than I've probably ever seen at any show except for SEMA and maybe Good Guys. But I think it's competing with Good Guys, honestly. It's going to be a really good show. There's going to be drag racing as well, so you won't want to miss it. We'll have this beautiful thing out there. We've got a bunch of other trucks, and we'll have some show-specific giveaways as well as some bigger giveaways, so stay tuned. And thanks so much to Brock for coming out, and see you in the next one.
Cool.